Brainy Sparks presents 9 tips to master your stress resilience. Feeling stressed by life's problems? Want to get stronger no matter what happens? In this video, I'll teach you how to make your own resilience toolkit. It's a set of easy tools that can help you stay calm and balanced. Say goodbye to stress and welcome a happier life. Let's begin. Number 1. Understand the root cause. Take time to figure out what specific things are causing you stress. Is it work-related, issues at home, or something personal? Write them down or think about them so you really know what's bothering you. Then ask yourself why these things are causing stress. If it's a deadline at work, is it because you feel you need more time or help? Maybe you're worried about what will happen if you miss the deadline. Understanding the why behind your stress is essential in finding solutions. Now, create a simple plan to tackle these stress triggers. If work is stressing you out, can you manage your time better or ask for support from colleagues? Small changes can make a big difference. Remember, it takes time to truly understand what causes stress and how to deal with it. It's an ongoing process, and that's okay. Keeping a journal of when you feel stressed and why, or even talking to a friend about it, can be really helpful. And don't be afraid to change your plan as you learn more about what works for you. Number 2, develop a daily mindfulness practice. Mindfulness means paying attention to what you're doing right now. It helps keep your mind calm. You can do this by focusing on your breath or something around you. Try to spend a few minutes every day being mindful. Find a quiet spot, sit down, and pay attention to your breathing. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just bring your focus back to your breath. You don't have to do it alone. There are apps and videos that can guide you. Just search for mindfulness or meditation guides online. It might feel a bit strange at first, but that's normal. Keep trying and it will get easier. You'll probably start feeling calmer and more focused. You can also be mindful while doing everyday things like eating or washing dishes. Just pay attention to what you're doing and try to enjoy it. It's a simple way to make your day better. Number 3, create a supportive environment. Be around people who make you feel good. Friends, family, or anyone who's positive and supports you can make a big difference in how you feel. Do things you enjoy in your free time. Hobbies like drawing, playing games, or spending time outdoors can make you feel happier. Make your work and living spaces nice to be in. If you're at a desk a lot, keep it tidy and add things like pictures or plants that make you smile. If you can, make a special spot at home just for relaxing. Think about what you can watch, read, or eat. If something doesn't make you feel good, it might be a good idea to change it. Remember, what feels good to you is personal, and it's okay to change things as you go along. Creating a supportive environment is about finding what makes you feel happy, relaxed, and supported, and doing more of that. Number 4, implement healthy eating and sleeping habits. Eating right. Eat different kinds of healthy foods to give your body what it needs. Drink enough water to keep you feeling good. Try not to eat junk food when you're stressed. Have some fruits or nuts instead. If you can, plan your meals or snacks so you always have something good to eat. Sleeping well. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Make your bedroom a nice place to sleep with comfy pillows and not too much noise or light. Put down your phone or computer before bed. They can make it hard to sleep. If you're always tired, you might need more sleep. Listen to your body and give it the rest it needs. Remember, eating well and sleeping enough helps you feel better and deal with stress. You don't have to change everything at once. Just start with 1 or 2 things and see how you feel. Number 5, exercise regularly. Moving your body helps you feel good. When you exercise, your body makes something called endorphins, which help you feel happy and less stressed. Find something you like to do. It could be dancing, running, playing a sport, or even just going for a walk. If you enjoy it, you'll want to do it more often. Try to exercise on a regular schedule. It can be a little every day or a few times a week, whatever fits your life best. You can exercise with friends or family. It can be more fun that way. Listen to how your body feels. If something hurts, slow down or try something else. You don't have to go to a gym. Playing outside, taking the stairs, or even dancing around your living room counts too. Remember, exercise is about feeling good and having fun. Find what works for you and enjoy it. Number 6, set realistic goals and expectations. If you have a big task or goal, don't try to do it all at once. Here's a simple plan to make it easier. See the big goal. Think about what you want to do in the end. That's your big goal. Make smaller parts. Break the big goal into smaller tasks. Think of them as steps on a ladder. Set doable goals. Make sure each step is something you can really do. If it's too hard, break it down even more. Make a plan. Write down what you'll do first, second, third, and so on. If there's a deadline, plan when you'll do each part. Enjoy the success. Be happy when you finish a step. It's like a small win. Ask for help if you need. If something is tough, it's okay to ask friends or family for help. It's okay to change the plan. If something doesn't work, you can change it. That's fine. Don't forget to have fun. Take breaks and do things you like. Enjoying yourself helps keep you going. Remember, big things are done one step at a time. If you break it down and make a plan, it's easier and less stressful. And don't forget to have fun along the way. Number 7, learn to say no. Saying yes to everything can make you really tired and stressed. It's important to know when to say no. Here's how you can do it simply. Know what you can do. Think about what you can do and what's too much. If something is too much, it's okay to say no. Think before you answer. If someone asks you for something, it's okay to think about it before you say yes or no. It's okay to say no. You don't have to say yes to everything. If you need to say no, that's fine. You don't have to explain a lot. If you say no, you don't have to tell a big story about why. A simple no is enough. Take care of yourself. Remember, it's good to take care of yourself. Saying no sometimes helps you do that. If you feel pressured, stay strong. Sometimes people try to make you say yes. It's okay to stick to no if that's what you feel. Remember, saying no is a normal part of life. It helps you keep from getting too tired or stressed. It's not mean, it's taking care of yourself. You can practice with small things, and it will get easier. Number 8, embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Failure might feel bad, but it's a chance to learn and grow. Here's how to make it easier. Think of failure differently. Failure isn't the end. It's a way to find out what doesn't work so you can find what does. Look at what happened. If something goes wrong, think about why. What can you learn? What can you do better next time? Be happy for trying. Even if things don't work out, be proud that you tried. Trying is important. Find supportive friends. Have people around you who understand that it's okay to fail and learn from it. Learn to move on. Don't get stuck thinking about a mistake. Learn from it and then move on. Use failure to help you. Sometimes failing at something can make you want to try harder next time. Share what you learn. Tell others about what you learned from failing. It can help them and you. Remember good times too. Don't just think about failures. Remember when things went well too. Remember, failing at something doesn't mean you're bad at it. It's a chance to learn and get better. It's okay to fail, learn, and try again. That's how you grow. Number 9, build a resilience toolkit. Life can be stressful. Having a set of tools that make you feel better can help a lot. Here's how to make your own toolkit. Find what makes you feel good. Think about what calms you down. It could be a hobby, music, or talking to a friend. Make a list or a special box. Write down your tools or put things in a box so they're ready when you need them. Use different things for different times. Have something for when you're a little stressed and something else for when you're really stressed. Put in things you like to see or smell. Maybe a picture or a good-smelling candle can help you relax. Change it when you need to. If you find something new that helps, add it to your toolkit. Tell friends or family. Maybe they want to make a toolkit too, and you can help each other. Use it often. The more you use your toolkit, the better it will work for you. Making a toolkit is like having a special box for stress. You put in things that help you feel better, and they're there when you need them. You can change it anytime, and it's just for you. Thanks for watching today's video on beating stress. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you're ready to take control of your well-being. If you liked what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Have any questions or your own stress-busting ideas? Leave a comment below. Until next time, take care and stay positive.